Hey guys, so today I'm working on my VW Touareg 2012. I decided to change the spark plugs. Mine, they look kind of old, and after, I believe last time that has been changed 90,000 miles ago, so I'm planning to change it. But anyway, so once you have this cover out, that basically popped out, you have to remove those plugs, and it's easy to break them. So basically you have to press this tiny clip and then press it up, and let me show you. When you press it, you're gonna see it, that baffle or whatever, it's moving. So when it moves, you can unclick it. So this way you don't break it. And I don't have any tools to remove the coil pack, so I'm using the pliers. You have to be super gentle, and just keep wiggle till all right, here we are. So here we are using the spark plugs, the wrench. So with the pliers you can remove that, but be gentle. And when you do remove the coil, sometimes that gasket gonna stuck on top of it. So you wanna make sure it's gonna come back to this one, right this way, right like this. Okay, here's it. I do have two sockets 5/8, one with that rubber and one without it. So this one it's just to start removing the spark plugs, and then I'm swapping to this one with the rubber, so I can remove the spark plug easily using my hand basically. Sorry that I'm doing that with one hand, but anyway, let's see how the second one looks like. Ta-da! And it's freaking bad as well, I would say. So I built one cleaning device for the spark plug hole. So if you want to use the vacuum, you can use the vacuum basically and get it to the hole, get all the debris out of it. Okay, so we're gonna use the Denso SXU22HC411S Iridium. That's what they had in AutoZone. You can get them on eBay, 6 of them I guess for $50 or less. But yeah, that's brand new, so it looks shiny compared to old ones. They look really bad. So I think it's really important to change the spark plugs more often. But anyway, okay, nice and clean. All right. And basically I was using my knee to sit on top of it because it's very hard to get to the last two spark plugs. So you might use some stool or something, lay it down with a glass of wine. That's gonna help. All right, when you install the spark plugs, make sure that you have the chamber all clean with towel or vacuum, and the socket that I'm using has the rubber in it, so I'm just gonna drop the spark plugs gently and pull it out, and then use the torque wrench to 21 pounds of torque. All right, so we got all the spark plugs in. Now we're gonna put this cover back. And so a few tips: once you remove the spark plugs, be gentle, and you might want to clean the holes inside with the vacuum like I did, or some towel, rag, anything that's gonna help to clean up. And that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching, and If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.